Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy Ace 3. This is going to be a very easy and simple method. So before we start, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. And without further ado, let's get started. So, first what you got to do is turn off your phone. Like this. Press OK. Then as you can see, we gotta press the power button, the volume up button, and the home button. Press and hold these until we can see in the top left recovery booting. It will be like that for some reason. Now don't worry, if that will show again, just keep holding it. Press it again. Recovery booting and keep holding it. Keep holding it, keep holding it. Now if it did not do anything, there, press, hold it, until we come up with this screen. So what we gotta do is go to wipe data, factory reset, go down to yes, delete all user data. Oh yeah, and by the way, I forgot to tell you, if you're wondering how to change the menu, I mean like how to scroll down and scroll up, is by using the volume down button to be like this, and volume up button to go up, and the power key to accept. So press yes, delete all user data, which is this line. It will take a while though. And then press reboot system now, which means restart your phone. And then wait until your phone restarts. And there. You will hear the startup sound. That means you have successfully hard reset your phone. Sorry, that was my keyboard. So wait until it loads up. And so there, we have successfully did our Samsung Galaxy Ace 3, which means we hard resetted it. So I'll speed up the video a little bit, or maybe not, and you can watch how I do the setup, so you can follow too. there, we have successfully opened our phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.